Mushroom bricks, known for their sustainability and strength, offer a unique and eco-friendly approach to building. Advantages of using mushroom bricks for geodesic domes. First, sustainability. Mushroom bricks are made from biodegradable materials, reducing the environmental impact of construction. Second, strength. When properly constructed, mushroom brick panels can offer sufficient structural strength for geodesic domes. Third, insulation. Mushroom bricks can provide good insulation properties, helping to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Fourth, unique aesthetics. The organic nature of mushroom bricks can create a visually striking and unique appearance. After you followed my tutorial to creating a star igloo, you can grow the panels from mushroom. This method uses what you can find on YouTube vids as mushroom bricks making. First, make your dome strong enough. You can put additional tandem rods to the original structure to add strength. Second, use cling wrap or such materials to cover it. After that, use chicken wire, cocoa mat, or such mesh material that can serve as a bonding substrate. Third, apply the mushroom slurry, mix the ingredients of which you can easily find in YouTube tutorials. Work from panel to panel so that it is manageable. Cover the target panel with cling wrap. After the desired curing period, remove the formed panel and bake as required. Last, attach the cured mushroom brick panel back to its rightful section of the dome. Then you can proceed to the next section of the dome. And there you have it. You can now make an organic star igloo.